Hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're already a subscriber, if you're new here, karibu sana. Make sure you subscribe because I have amazing content lined up. So I realized that when I posted my first vlog, I didn't really introduce myself. So yeah, I got a lot of comments from people asking, who the hell are you? So I will do a bit of introduction because before we actually get into today's vlog. So my full name is Rose Odari Maniga. I'll put a link to my Instagram page on the description box. You can follow me and get to know a bit about me. So I was supposed to be doing this vlog outdoors today, but something came up I had to cancel, so I decided to do this video in the kitchen and give you at least one of my recipes. I'll be making fried potatoes and chicken strips today. I have everything prepared, so I'll just show you the ingredients that you're going to need for all that. So in this bowl we have coriander. We have tomatoes in this one, tomatoes, whatever you fancy. I have onion on this tiny little bowl here and another bowl of onions here. So these the tiny little onions I've used for my potatoes, and this bowl of onions I'll use this bowl for my chicken. And over here we have our chicken, boneless chicken. I'll cut that into strips. I'll show you how I'll do that. And here we have our potatoes. So I am done cutting my chicken strips. I'll show you the process of frying them. So here we go. I'm done deep frying my chicken strips. I'll just show you guys how that looks. So that looks good. So we are going to throw in our onions, tomatoes, and fry that up. So my onions have already browned, so I'll add the tomatoes inside. The next thing I'm going to do is to grate my garlic in there. Make sure it's well grated. So after mixing up the garlic, I'll add this chicken masala. To that, I'll add my salt. I don't want to put too much of that. Then I'll mix that up very well. So that's all ready. I'll now start adding my chicken strips one by one. So make sure you mix that up very well so that it looks good. And you also don't want to push too much heat. So the chicken is ready. I'll now add the coriander. Then I'll mix that up very well. So I'm now ready to fry my potatoes. I have my oil here, it's boiling, so I want to make sure it's hot enough to roast the potatoes, and then we'll do that. So my potatoes are still frying up. I have the onions that were in my small bowl. So what I like to do is I just mix that up with the coriander, and then I cut small, tiny pieces of chili in there. Then what I'll do, I'll just go through with my knife again. So my potatoes are ready. So we'll just take them out. The purpose of this serviette is to suck the excess oil. And here is my onion, my coriander, and the bit of chili that I put in there. So what we'll do, we'll just put that on top of that. And then what I like to do is to just mix it up like that. So our food is ready. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel because I have more videos coming up. Asanteni sana. Bye.